With analytics, you can get a clear picture of how your visitors are interacting with your site through our built-in reports and tools. To view your analytics, start from the home menu and select Analytics. Your traffic overview presents a line chart of key performance indicators, including unique visitors, visits, and page views. Unique visitors is an estimate of the total visitors that reached your site in the selected time period. A visit is a single browsing session and can encompass multiple page views. Page views track how many actual page requests your site saw in the selected time period. In the Traffic Sources panel, you will be able to view data on how visitors accessed your site. Direct represents when someone typed your URL into their browser rather than coming to your site from another page. The Search channel represents organic traffic from search engines like Google and Bing, for example. Social represents traffic to your site from social networks like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Referral represents websites and blogs that link to your site that don't fit into any other channels. Within engagement, there are a few more categories that can help you understand how visitors interact with your site. The activity log includes the time and date of the visit, the IP address, location, and detailed browser information. Lastly, popular content lets you know which are the most viewed pages on your site. It's important to note that the analytics here can have some discrepancies, and we recommend using this data to understand overall trends as opposed to exact statistics. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.